BLC Circuits is grateful and happy to collaborate with Nature Affairs for Human Growth. And today we actually have our first brain health event together, in which we will work with people on art therapy, music with the didgeridoo, sound healing, and also horse-assisted therapy. So I'm very excited that we have got the participants here, and it's an opportunity for us to connect with ourselves, to connect with nature, and also to connect with each other.
So my name is Filipa Santos. I'm an art therapist and an art psychotherapist. So what is art therapy? Well, what I fell in love with is with the opportunity that you have to express how you feel and what's inside, what's alive, rather than beyond words. So sometimes we have things and we feel things that there are no words that can describe how that happens inside yourself. And so the invitation to express it by an art mean helps you to put that beyond words. So that gives you a shape, a symbol, a color, a word, a poem, a dance. I mean, it can be anything that will invite you and will help you to translate how you feel into something that you can look out then afterwards. So then when we have what comes out as a drawing or as a music or a poem, we can look at it from the outside and so get some perspective on what is going on the inside. So this is an ongoing process. With the art therapy, I bring already exercises and proposals, creative proposals for the people, for the group of people, with a theme. For example, how are you in your body, for example. And in art psychotherapy, we work with what's there, with what comes up in the moment, what's alive, if there something happened that moved something inside.
Hello, my name is Laura. We are here today with an event with Sabine from BLC Circuits, and our project is called Nature Affairs. And we believe that nature and animals actually are helping people get back to who they are and provide them with wellness and better mental health.
Hi, my name is Pedro. I work with horses. I use the method Kiran, intervention assisted by horses. And this method is very simple, and just to people develop ourselves. The horses function like a mirror of our soul and our movements and what we're thinking about. And we created dynamics, private and in group, to improve ourselves and our communication to the other. This is our objective working with the equines. They live they live free in the group like a family, and this is our environment to receive your visit.
So my name is Gregg. I'm from Australia and I play the Australian Aboriginal didgeridoo, which is made from a eucalyptus tree trunk that's been hollowed out by termites. So it's all made from nature. It's all very natural. And so this used to be, a eucalyptus tree. And so the termites, they hollow it out over a long period of time, leaving it hollow, and they come along, they chop down the tree trunk, they remove the bark, and they put a mouthpiece, which is usually made from beeswax, and they paint it up, and they tell some sort of a story about how they are interconnected with man, nature, universe. So this one is the Murray cod, which is the biggest freshwater fish in the world. So this is a dreaming creation story of how the Murray cod created our longest river system in Australia, the Murray River. So I've been using the didgeridoo for about 18 years, and I discovered that for myself, that I could transmute, shift emotions. Whenever I was feeling emotion, I would play the didgeridoo and I could shift the emotion and I could change how I was feeling. And so I've been using this for many years for people with just about anything really, mental health conditions, grief, loss, depression. I've worked with mental health hospitals. I've worked with people who are in the process of dying as well. I've worked with people with profound multiple learning disabilities, autism. I can put children with autism into a state of deep relaxation because it's producing a low frequency range of sound, and some of those sounds are down in alpha frequency, which helps us to relax. So it bypasses the conscious mind and puts you in a state of relaxation. And also with the horses that they have here on the sanctuary, last time I came here, I played to the horses. Well, they all fell asleep. Beautiful to see. So it's not only on the physical mind. We are an energy being, so it works on our energy system. It works on stagnant emotions. It works on the physical. It works the same way that ultrasound works. So it's beneficial for a wide range of physical symptoms. And so, it works on many different ways. But really, it's about how we are interconnected with man, nature, universe, which is really what people feel.